The hot water heater's always running. Okay, guys, here we have the Wheelock Exceeder ceiling mount, horn strobe, HSRC, it says somewhere probably. Here, HSRC, this thing's brand new, in box, clearly. Got it on eBay for a decent price. Surprised because this is still something that's in production. We got them, work all the time. So here it is. It's nothing too fancy. There's our ceiling mount device. It's designed for 2-wire operation. I will say, it was listed as new in box, but it looks like maybe it's been attached to something before. But as long as it works, I don't really care. We've got the mounting bracket. When you do that, you're supposed to take this off, because what this does, this little piece here, I gotta get a screwdriver probably to pop that off, or it's supposed to slide. Yeah, that's it. This thing here bypasses the supervision. So what you're supposed to do is you have your positive end that goes in, and then you got your 2 negatives. So you have your positive in, and both your positives go in the same hole. Then you've got your negative in and a negative out. And the reason those are separate is because when this is hooked up, that's how it supervises the circuit, is that these are, the negatives on here are connected. So it's pretty simple. When you take the device down, that's how it causes trouble, because it causes an open circuit between here. Now it comes with the Cooper Wheelock notification information. Here's all the fun details about it. Operating voltages, candelas, current draw, all that stuff is on here. But of course, if we ever need that information, we'll just look at the internet for that. That is important though when it comes to battery calc information, when you're calculating what size batteries and how many you need. You also get 4 nice new screws, and I'm happy about that because I'm severely missing screws. Now, go ahead. We will hook these guys up somehow, and we'll make some noise with it real quick, just so we can see how it works. Okay, I think just a second ago I accidentally said that the continuity was on the negative. It's actually on the positive on this device. So you have one positive go in here, another positive come out here, and then your negative goes in all the way over here. Both negatives going over here. So that way, what it does is when the device is up, these two are continuity together, so it just passes right through the device. But when it gets disconnected, it will cause an open circuit trouble, so you know when a device is down. Now they also have, where did it go? This little piece, which this guy will go right on over here and snap on, and what that does is it bypasses the continuity. So if you were troubleshooting a circuit, for example, you carry this little guy around, trying to figure out which device is bad or something, you can pop that on there. Or if you're testing and you've got a device that for whatever reason is down, maybe it got damaged severely and fell down, while you're waiting on a replacement device, you can put this up to make sure the rest of your circuit works. Obviously, you would still need to put the device up, after that. So now with this, it's pretty easy to get this guy on, with 2 hands at least. So there's those grooves in there, those little slots down there at the bottom. Those line up with those tabs, and then you slide it on. So let me go ahead and mount it on, and then we'll go ahead and test it. Okay, apparently I was trying to put it on upside down too, which isn't going to help. But now here we go. I believe the volume's set on high, so it's probably going to be loud. Strobe is set on 75 candela, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go ahead and see. thing is loud, but it works, which is good because if I show you a blooper clip, I kind of screwed up and thought that it didn't. Turns out I've got a bad wire. So to the guy on eBay who I sent a message to saying that it didn't work, I apologize. That being said, this is going to be an option for a ceiling mount device in the system. So by all means, go ahead and check that out in a requested system test in the link down below. That'll be a few weeks before we start seeing ceiling mounted devices because I still have so many without requested ceiling mounted devices in the system. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.